Good morning, boys and girls. Happy to see you this morning. Now, today's topic, we're going to read a poem to figure out what is today's topic based upon. So, let me read the poem first. I'm going to tell you the name and I'm going to read the poem 3 times for you. And you're going to tell me what do you think today's topic is based upon. So, let's start. The name of our poem is Oh Wonderful Trees. What is the name of our poem? Oh wonderful trees. Yes, let's start. Oh wonderful trees, you do so much for me. Your leaves offer me shade from the hot summer rays. On your branches I play. Again. Oh wonderful trees, you do so much for me. Your leaves offer me shade from your hot summer rays. On your branches I play. So let's read it one more time. And this time we're going to read it slow. Oh wonderful trees, you do so much for me. Your leaves offer me shade from the hot summer rays. On your branches I play. So this poem is talking about a tree on a hot summer day. Okay guys, so let's look at a tree and let's figure out what can it do. So okay guys, here we have a tree. This is known as a banana sucker. The reason being is because that's the name of the plant. It's not known as a banana tree, but it's known as a banana sucker. That's the original name for the plant. In the poem, it states that I can play on your branches. Look at the tree properly. Can you play on the tree? No, you can't tug the tree. You can't tug the branches? Good. It says you shade me from the hot summer ray. Yes, we can have shade from the hot sun. Look how big is the tree. You see how big is its branch? Yes, its leaf is very broad. So when the sun is hot, we can go underneath the tree and be warm. Good. So in the poem, we read about the tree, we read about the sun, and we read about play, right? We read about the sky, right? When we say the sky, when the sun is shining hot, is the sky darker? Is it blue? Yes, it is blue. And we go underneath the shelf, underneath the plant leaf to hide from the sun ray. When we say that, we're speaking about a hot sun where we sweat a lot and the place is so hot for us. Okay, good. Now let's think about what is today's topic. Let us think together. What is today's topic? Come on guys, let us think together. We spoke about the sun, we spoke about the tree, we spoke about the heat that the sun gave us and the benefits of what the tree helps us with. We can play with the tree, we can hide under the tree with the sun, and we speak about plenty more. So let's think what is the topic? No, that's not the answer. The answer for today's topic is our environment. We're speaking about our what? Environment. Okay guys, so I'm going to give you the definition on what is our environment.
Hello boys and girls, very good, very good. So now that you have guessed that we are discussing our environment, that is our topic for today, our environment, I would like you to listen to the definition now for our environment. What does our environment mean? So I'm going to read it and then we're going to read it together. All right? All physical surroundings on Earth are called environment. It includes both living and non-living. All right? So I want you to repeat it after me. All physical surroundings on Earth are called environment. it includes both living and non-living. All right? So we know living things are things that are alive, things that grow, things that breathe, things that move. Those are called living things. We would have done that in science. All right? And we know that non-living things are things that does not have life, like table, chair. All right? Those are non-living things because they are not living. They cannot grow, they cannot breathe, they cannot eat. Okay? So I will not eat. Okay? So I want you to remember that definition. We'll put it on the chalkboard, you will write it in your book, and you will remember it. All right? Now, after the class is finished, I would like you to take a look. We're going to take a look outside, and you're going to draw something that is in your environment. You're going to make a very nice big drawing. Okay? And you're going to color it. All right? And then you're going to share it with your friends, and you're going to tell them what you saw in your environment and what you drew. Okay? Now, our environment is very, very important. It is important because it helps us as human beings. The trees, all the trees, they give us a very, very important thing that we need to live. Do you remember what that is? Yes, the trees give us oxygen, and we need oxygen to survive. Without oxygen, we will die. Okay? So we must take care of our environment. Okay? Now, some of the ways in which we can take care of our environment is by not polluting it. And we know that polluting means to make things dirty. So we do not throw our garbage on the road or on the street or in the yard. We throw them in the garbage bins. All right? We do not leave our pipes running. When you finish using the pipe, you turn it off, turn off the tap, make sure it is off. We do not want to waste water. Water is very, very important. And there are children in other countries that really, really need water and they don't have any. So you will make sure to take care of what you have in your environment. Okay? Now, when you're finished using the lights, what do? Right, we turn them off. Don't leave all the lights on and then you're gone and mommy is saying, how all of these lights are on? And you say, oh, I don't know. When you're finished using it, you turn it off so that you can save the electricity. All right? So those are some ways in which we can care for our environment. So you do not pollute the environment. Don't throw your garbage all over. When you're finished using your water, the pipe, when you're finished at the pipe, you make sure you turn the tap off and you turn off the lights when you are finished. Okay? So I want you to remember that next time you want to throw your sweets on the ground. Do not do that.